What if the most powerful thing you did this week was pause? This Sunday at 7:14 a.m., we're beginning the 3D Power Pause inside the Living in 3D Power community. It's a 45-minute live space where we slow down and move through a simple weekly rhythm together. We arrive and ground, we orient to the week's reflection prompts, we sit in quiet stillness. There's an optional moment of communal witnessing, and when we close, we do it with a gentle reflection, harvesting the wisdom in the room. This week, we'll sit with questions like, what has always been true about me? What patterns are emerging in my life? What path am I being called to remain on? Normally, the pause is for paid subscribers, but in honor of Women's History Month, I'm opening this space free this month for anyone who wants to try it. I work with people of all ages and identities, and this space is truly for anyone who wants a moment to slow down and listen inward. Want to learn more? Click the link below. And I'll see you this Sunday, 7:14 a.m. Come as you are, y'all. Sometimes the most radical thing we can do is listen to our own voice.